GenuSone Online Training. Introduction to GenuSone. GenuSone is a network performance management solution developed by NetScout. It provides comprehensive visibility and analysis of network traffic and application performance. Here's an overview of its key features and functionalities. Unified network and application visibility. GenuSone offers a consolidated view of network and application performance, allowing IT teams to monitor and troubleshoot both network infrastructure and application delivery from a single platform. Real-time and historical analytics. The platform provides real-time analytics and historical data to help identify performance issues, understand trends, and plan for capacity. End-to-end network visibility. It captures and analyzes traffic across the entire network, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments, providing detailed insights into network health and performance. Advanced troubleshooting capabilities. GenuSone includes tools for deep packet inspection, flow analysis, and correlation of data across different network layers to quickly pinpoint and resolve performance problems. Application performance monitoring. It offers detailed application performance monitoring to ensure that applications are running smoothly and meeting user expectations. Customizable dashboards and reports. Users can create customizable dashboards and generate reports to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and gain insights into network and application performance. Integration with other tools. GenuSone integrates with other network and IT management tools, providing a more comprehensive view of the IT environment and facilitating better decision-making. Scalability. The solution is designed to scale with the network, accommodating growing data volumes and increasing network complexity. GenuSone architecture. GenuSone is a comprehensive network performance monitoring and analytics solution designed by NetScout. Its architecture is built to provide detailed visibility into network traffic, application performance, and overall network health. Here's an overview of its architecture. 1. Data collection layer. GenuSone sensors. These are deployed at various points in the network to collect real-time data on network traffic, application performance, and other critical metrics. Flow aggregators collect, aggregate, and preprocess data from multiple sensors. They help in reducing the volume of data sent to the central repository by performing initial processing and filtering. 2. Data processing layer. GenuSone Engine, the core component that performs detailed analysis on the collected data. It provides the analytics and processing power required to generate actionable insights. This engine can be deployed in a centralized or distributed manner based on the deployment size and requirements. Performance and analytics modules. These modules analyze the data to provide metrics such as application performance, network health, and traffic patterns. They help in detecting anomalies and identifying performance issues. 3. Data storage layer. Database repository stores historical data, configuration information, and other relevant details. The data stored in this layer is used for trend analysis, historical reporting, and long-term performance tracking. 4. User interface layer. GenuSone Console provides a web-based interface for users to interact with the system. Through this console, users can access dashboards, generate reports, configure alerts, and perform various administrative tasks. 5. Integration and API layer. APIs facilitate integration with other network management and monitoring tools, as well as with enterprise systems for automated workflows and data sharing. Third-party integration supports integration with various ITSM, IT service management, tools, security solutions, and other network management systems to provide a unified view of network performance and health. 6. Deployment options. On-premises, traditional deployment where all components are installed and managed within the organization's own data center. Cloud-based offers scalability and flexibility by deploying the components in a cloud environment, which can be a public or private cloud. 7. Scalability and high availability. Scalable architecture, designed to scale horizontally and vertically based on network size and complexity. Additional sensors, aggregators, and processing units can be added as needed. High availability provides options for redundancy and failover to ensure continuous operation and minimize downtime. Real-time network monitoring with GenuSone. GenuSone is a powerful network performance monitoring and diagnostics tool that provides real-time visibility into network operations. Here's a brief overview of how it works and its key features. Key features. Real-time monitoring. GenuSone offers continuous, real-time visibility into network traffic and performance. It monitors various network elements, including servers, applications, and network devices. Advanced analytics. It utilizes advanced analytics to provide insights into network performance issues such as latency, packet loss, and bandwidth utilization. This helps in identifying the root causes of performance problems quickly. Visualization. The platform includes a range of visualization tools, such as dashboards and graphs, that help in tracking network health and performance metrics in real time. Alerts and notifications. It can be configured to send alerts and notifications based on predefined thresholds or detected anomalies, helping network administrators respond quickly to issues. Customizable reporting. Users can generate detailed reports tailored to specific needs, providing insights into network performance trends and historical data. Integration capabilities. GenuSone can integrate with other network management tools and platforms, allowing for a more comprehensive view of the network environment. Use cases. Network troubleshooting. Quickly identify and diagnose network issues, such as performance degradation or outages. Capacity planning. Monitor network usage trends to plan for future capacity needs. Performance optimization. Analyze traffic patterns and performance metrics to optimize network configurations and resource allocation. Performance metrics and KPIs tracked by GenuSone. GenuSone is a network performance monitoring tool developed by NetScout. It offers a comprehensive view of network performance, including tracking various metrics and KPIs to help organizations manage and optimize their network infrastructure. Some of the key performance metrics and KPIs tracked by GenuSone include: network utilization measures the amount of bandwidth used compared to the total available bandwidth, helping to identify potential bottlenecks. Latency monitors the time taken for data to travel from the source to the destination, which is crucial for assessing network responsiveness. Packet loss tracks the percentage of packets that are lost during transmission, which can indicate network congestion or issues with the network infrastructure. Jitter measures the variability in packet arrival times, which can affect the quality of real-time applications like VoIP or video conferencing. Throughput assesses the actual data transfer rate over the network, which helps in understanding the efficiency of data transmission. Error rates monitors the rate of errors in packet transmission, including corrupted or malformed packets. Application performance tracks the performance of specific applications running on the network, including response times and transaction times. End-to-end performance measures the performance of the network from the perspective of end users, including the time it takes for requests to be fulfilled. Service Level Agreement (SLA) compliance assesses whether the network performance meets the agreed-upon SLAs, including availability, performance, and response times. Traffic analysis provides insights into the types of traffic on the network, including application types, sources, and destinations. Network health offers an overall view of the network's health, including component status and any alerts or warnings. Capacity planning helps in forecasting future network capacity needs based on current usage trends and growth projections. Configuring alerts and notifications in GenuSone. Configuring alerts and notifications in GenuSone involves several steps to ensure you receive timely information about network performance and potential issues. Here's a general guide. 1. Access GenuSone interface. Log in to your GenuSone system. Navigate to the Configuration or Admin section, depending on your version and setup. 2. Configure alert rules. Define alert criteria. Go to the Alerts or Alert Rules section. Create a new alert rule or edit an existing one. Specify the conditions under which an alert should be triggered, example, thresholds for network performance metrics, error rates, etc. Set alert triggers. Define the specific conditions that will trigger the alert, example, high latency, packet loss. Choose the severity levels for the alerts, example, critical, warning. 3. Set up notification channels. Add notification methods. Go to the Notification Settings or similar section. Configure the methods for alert notifications, such as email, SMS, or SNMP traps. Configure email notifications. Enter SMTP server details, address, port, credentials. Specify email addresses for receiving alerts. Set up email templates if necessary. Configure SMS notifications. Input the SMS gateway details if using SMS for alerts. Specify the phone numbers for receiving SMS notifications. Configure SNMP traps. Enter SNMP trap destination details, IP address, community string. Configure the SNMP version and other parameters as required. 4. Test alerts and notifications. Simulate alerts. Use the testing tools available in GenuSone to trigger test alerts. Verify delivery. Check that notifications are received through all configured channels. 5. Monitor and adjust. Review alert performance. Regularly check if the alerts are functioning as expected and if the notifications are timely. Adjust settings, modify alert thresholds, notification methods, or other settings based on feedback and observed performance. Additional tips. Documentation. Refer to the official GenuSone documentation for detailed instructions specific to your version. Support. If you encounter issues, consider reaching out to GenuSone support for assistance. Case studies, success stories with GenuSone. GenuSone by NetScout is a network performance management and monitoring solution that has been implemented in various industries to improve network visibility, performance, and reliability. Here are a few success stories and case studies demonstrating its effectiveness. Large financial institution. Challenge. A major bank needed to ensure high availability and performance of its critical financial applications while dealing with complex network environments and high volumes of transactions. Solution. GenuSone was deployed to provide comprehensive network visibility and performance analytics. The solution helped in identifying network bottlenecks and application performance issues. Outcome. The bank achieved significant improvements in application performance, reduced downtime, and better compliance with service level agreements, SLAs. The visibility provided by GenuSone also enabled quicker troubleshooting and problem resolution. Healthcare provider. Challenge. A large healthcare provider faced issues with network performance affecting patient care and operational efficiency. They needed to monitor and manage network traffic to ensure seamless access to electronic health records, EHR, and other critical applications. Solution. GenuSone was implemented to provide real-time visibility into network traffic and performance. The solution offered detailed insights into network usage and application performance. Outcome. The healthcare provider improved network performance, ensuring reliable access to EHR systems and other critical applications. This led to enhanced patient care and operational efficiency. Retail chain. Challenge. A global retail chain needed to optimize its network performance to handle peak shopping periods and ensure smooth operation of its online and in-store systems. Solution. GenuSone was used to monitor network performance across multiple locations and identify potential issues before they affected operations. Outcome. The retail chain experienced improved network reliability, better management of peak traffic periods, and enhanced customer experience. The proactive monitoring capabilities of GenuSone allowed for timely intervention and optimization. Telecommunications company. Challenge. A telecommunications company needed to manage and optimize its network infrastructure to support a growing number of subscribers and increasing data traffic. Solution. The company deployed GenuSone to gain deeper insights into network performance, traffic patterns, and service quality. Outcome. The solution provided valuable insights that helped in optimizing network performance, managing traffic loads, and improving overall service quality. The company was able to handle increased traffic volumes more effectively and enhance customer satisfaction. Security features and compliance with GenuSone. GenuSone, from Infovista, is a network performance management solution with a strong focus on monitoring and troubleshooting. Here's a look at its security features and compliance aspects. Security features: role-based access control. RBAC Genusone employs RBAC to ensure that users only have access to the data and functions they need. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and ensures that sensitive information is protected. Data encryption. Communication between Genusone components and with external systems is encrypted using industry-standard protocols like TLS/SSL. This protects data in transit from eavesdropping and tampering. Audit trails. The system maintains comprehensive logs of user activities and system events. This helps in tracking changes, diagnosing issues, and ensuring accountability. Integration with security tools. Genusone can integrate with other security solutions such as SIEM, Security Information and Event Management systems. This allows for better correlation of network performance data with security events. Secure access. The platform supports secure access methods including VPNs and multi-factor authentication, MFA, enhancing the security of remote connections. Compliance. Data protection regulations. Genusone helps organizations comply with data protection regulations by providing tools to manage and monitor data usage and access. Features like encryption and access control are essential for meeting GDPR, CCPA, and other data protection laws. Network compliance standards. The platform supports compliance with various industry standards related to network performance and security. This includes compliance with standards like ISO IEC 27001 for information security management. Regulatory reporting. Genusone provides capabilities for generating reports that can aid in compliance audits. These reports include performance metrics, security logs, and other relevant data needed for regulatory reviews. Data retention policies. The platform allows organizations to configure data retention policies to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements regarding data storage and deletion. Why choose ProExcellency for Genusone online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Genusone online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often has experienced trainers who are experts in Genusone, providing high-quality instruction and deep insights into the platform. Comprehensive curriculum. They typically offer a well-structured curriculum covering all aspects of Genusone, from basic concepts to advanced features, ensuring a thorough understanding of the tool. Flexible learning options. Online training provides flexibility in terms of timing and location, allowing you to learn at your own pace and fit the training into your schedule. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency may offer practical, hands-on exercises and real-world scenarios that help you apply what you've learned in a practical setting. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency's training often includes preparation for certification exams, helping you to meet the requirements and pass the exams successfully. Support and resources. They usually provide ongoing support and access to additional resources, such as study materials and forums, which can be invaluable for learning and troubleshooting. Positive reviews and reputation. If ProExcellency has a strong reputation and positive reviews from past students, it's an indication of their effectiveness and reliability in delivering quality training. Thank you.